start off by saying, like, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, like, I honestly feel bad for you. Like, I cannot explain it. Like, I don't have the vocabulary to sit here and explain. Like, either you get the vibe or you don't get the vibe.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, girl Des, of course. Ho. We got somewhere to be. We got shit to do. And we gonna get paid. Every makeup step that I do, I'm gonna take a nice hit. I have to go get more wraps. You know what? Let's clock in. All products will be listed down below as well, ho. What? I've been doing more and more research, you guys. And dude, what the actual fuck? I had got this fucking comment and it was like, I love you, but you're yapping too much. I was like, sweetie, you would hate my fucking Des talks then, huh? I think it's just like the shit that I was talking about that make people be like, shh, you gotta watch out for those people. Don't trust those people. I just think it's pretty crazy how people want me to shut up about important things. Like, for example, tell me why, oh my goodness. Fuck shit, man. I'm always seeing fuck shit. So one of the newest books that I had got, women just have this natural fucking instinct, whether you're a mom or not. As I was getting more into it, I was kind of realizing like, damn. Okay, I had also did some other research, like research of the research of the research of the research, right? You always want to look for the who, what, when, where, and whys, and possibly the how, if there is a how. I looked up the percentage of how many women versus men are like instituted to the mental asylum, and women do have a higher percentage. That voice that they were hearing, that people say they be hearing, that they be going crazy, I be thinking that's the intuition. And if that's the same voice I be hearing that they're in there for, it's actually pretty sad. It's actually pretty sad because that's what a lot of motherfuckers like want you to do though. You know? I get one thing is for us to like shut up, and another is for them to be like, nah, you need to like, you know what? I also looked up too, bitch. Oh, hell nah. Because it's like, damn, you really gotta think about it. Like, I know not all people, men, are like this, but there are some, you know, there's some that will go out of the way to fucking a woman because of hatred. There was this fucking video of some girl, she was like struggling to pick up the thingy, right, from the whatever, and she's asking like the men around her for fucking help, and the first one doesn't hear her, but then she like asks another man and he like runs and like does it, and the fucking comments are like, where's the bear, bruh? I don't know if you guys are up to the whole like Kim Kardashian fucking case. Tell me fucking why. I guess, you know, when all that had happened, they basically tied her up. She was in a robe, butt naked underneath, and she said like, you know, she low-key felt like she was gonna get, so she just kind of like, you know, like internally accepted it, and like, you know, was like, fuck man, like, you know, this is gonna happen. And they didn't, right? They just took whatever and then they dipped. And the fucking men are making comments talking about, there's no way they didn't do nothing to her. She must be lying. Bruh. What? With shit like that, it's either you have it in you or you don't. As sick as that sounds, okay? But if they're just there to do that, they're not gonna, you know, somebody that isn't there to do that isn't gonna do that. Like, that is hella highly motivated, okay? There's some intent behind that. Oh my goodness. And another thing too. Another thing too. Oh, yo, tell me why my homegirl told me that this one fat bitch that she was beefing with, or that fat bitch was beefing with her. I don't know. But tell me why. So some dude that she was talking to, he had done some fuck shit and she tried to, like, you know, remove herself, whatever. Whole time that circular bitch was there, like, there was on some weird ass shit. Like, they were doing weird shit to my homegirl, and it got to a point where, like, they got off on that shit. Like, they literally got off on, to them it was like trolling my homegirl. But how is it trolling if you got pregnant by him and you don't have a ring on, bitch? Who's really getting trolled? And then too, like, you know what? Honestly, bitches that say that they had a kid to save them scares me. Truly scares me, because I don't get how people, one, don't understand that children are fucking blessings. Like, a baby is a blessing. And two, how do people just fucking not be up to par with the first one and then they want to go somewhere else and start a brand new one? Like, people are just fucking having kids, like, boom, 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 left and right. And it's like, what? Like, what the fuck? Yo? Ew. Like, I'm sorry. When fucking Offset said that bullshit to Cardi about, you're my baby mama, I won. No. I will literally, before a motherfucker gets to say that shit about me. Are you serious? Like, ew. Like, bitch, I'm so glad. Oh, I'm a somebody. Nah. Well, not like that, but like, I'm glad, like, I know myself. Like, I know my worth enough to know, like, what I fucking deserve and what I don't. And one thing I definitely don't want to do is bring a child into this fucking world, first of all, in these conditions that I'm already in. No. You know, baby should be like when you guys are both, like, you know, it is kind of fucking sad how a lot of people do want to, you know, like, half say that, like, they want to have it, half say that they don't, and then it ends up having it. And then, you know, like Glorilla said, if he says he don't want it, girl, don't fucking keep it. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not a, well, I'm grown, you know what I mean? Of course there are some ways to prevent pregnancy, but please don't hit me with that bullshit when you guys act all fucking surprised about some, I'm pregnant, I didn't know. Like, do you guys know exactly what the fuck it takes to get pregnant? There's a couple of steps y'all gotta fucking take for it to happen. So please don't miss me. Please miss me with that bullshit. This shit is ashy as fuck on my lips. I don't know if I mentioned the lip combo in the last video, but that shit was so fucking tea. It was just these two, guys. So it was just the MAC lip liner and cork, and lipstick and cream cup. That was it. It's so fucking cute. Okay, that's the trick. You have to overline it one last time. Eyelashes, you bitches already know, and for you bitches that don't, shop this BX hoe. Peace. So, bitch, yes, I added in the ponytail. Period. A little braid moment, because bitch, I am wearing Fashion Nova. Run a couple errands. Already knew. Fashion Nova, bitch. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the look as well as the video. I love you bitches so fucking much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that fucking good shit, and I'll see you bad bitches in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.